car's been sitting on the jack stand so long. It's kind of a big to actually get it out of the garage. At this point, I just need to clean the garage before I do anything else on it. Okay, let me show you what we got going on here. I've drained the fuel tank because I need to get the correct sealant for that fitting. It's an NPT type fitting. So like a plumbing type dealie of threads. I've got to go get the correct sealant, thread sealant for that. And that's going to be a Permatex 59214. So I'll be back with that. Doing some research, I found that this is the best sealant for gasoline on MPT type threads. It is the Permatex 59214, and this is what I'm using it on. It goes in where the drain normally goes on the fuel tank for these Mustangs. So if you're trying to tap into the drain for your return, it is a 1/4 MPT. And then you just have to adapt it to whatever you're using. But you gotta use sealant on the MPT threads. That's what I got this for. Okay, so maybe you're asking why the bucket. So the bucket has a big opening to catch the fuel when I was undoing the fitting initially. And then I could get my gas can with the nozzle, so it just goes into my gas can. It'll be easier to put back in my tank. So that's why that. I just want a good seal. I don't want it going into my fuel system. I have no idea how long you're supposed to let this sit for. I guess I'm gonna have to look that up. Alright, so I've got to wait 24 hours for that pipe. I can't even remember what it's called. The pipe tape. It's not pipe tape. The pipe sealant. I gotta wait 24 hours for that to dry before I can put gas in the gas tank. So it's a good time for me to take care of the rear brakes. Has leaking master cylinders. I've done the other side already, and I just gotta do this side. And by the way, I hate these type of lug nuts. These things suck. I also hate drum brakes because they suck. Disc brakes are 1,000 times easier to work on, and they work so much better. But when you just want to drive your car, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Okay, so I want to install this piece, but I need to have this window trim here installed first. Problem being, I'm not a fan of this chrome on here, so I think a scuff and paint job is in order. This is the hood from the Mustang, and I've cut this little square piece. I'm calling it the rust relief hole. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. There you go. That's just one side, so I'm going to vacuum it out too. Install this with hood on the car, and obviously I cleaned it up and painted it so it's not rusty anymore. Yeah, running the gas can. I hate those gas cans. They suck. So, I want to let the ladder hold it for an hour while it fills up the gas tank. How was that?
Pretty good. Yeah. Is it like burning out? Is that what that sound is when you step on it?
Yeah.
Because it's got wheels on it?
Yeah, it's got so much torque, it just so easy to blow the tires off.
It's just so much torque. It seems like it would be pretty cool with like a manual.
Yeah. It looks like so crappy, but so good at the same time.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll have to look.
It's so quiet too.
Yeah.
It's really quiet.
Well, you just got to get some of the little cherry bombs on there. And...
It has cherry bombs on it.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
You know, it really seems like it runs good.
Oh, okay, good.
Gosh, if I didn't know any better, I'd say this has got a well-tuned Holley double pumper on there.
All right. Hey, you know what? Let's talk about how much we like carburetors. I think they're really good for old guys who like that stuff.
Well, carburetors are actually one of the first things that put fuel into cars, you know? It's like, you know, it's a proud heritage to that.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of these kids think that you gotta have fuel injection and everything.
Hey, did you see what I did with this?
Is this like a new thing you bought?
No, I just painted the old chrome trim.
Oh, it looks much better. Yeah.
And how do you like this steering wheel compared to the old one?
Well, I never drove it with the old one.
I mean, this isn't the normal style for these.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, it seems like it's the right distance from the turn signal there. So that's just about perfect, really.
Exactly.
It's exactly what it needed to be.
All right, you hold this. I'm just going to bring it around to the garage.
Look at it go. Excellent.